Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic and Best Car Fixes. Okay, this car here we have, whenever the maintenance time is coming, you have to change the oil, change the reminder, and then it will come back again. Let me show you now. I'm going to turn the key off. I will turn the key on again. Now you're going to see Mitsubishi oil and the sign is coming beautiful. It is here too. But look at there. After the green one, it's coming press brake to pedal to start. And then you're going to have routine maintenance required. How you're going to reset this one is very simple. Turn the ignition like this. You see in this place here, you have this one and this one here. You see this one here? We're going to start pushing with this button. First, you're going to turn the ignition off. Ignition must be off when it says see you. Now what you need to do, just push this button one time. You see what it gives you? Trip A. Second time, trip 2. Third time, see, trip 1. You see here now? Just push and hold it. And then 2 times, clear. You push, you hold it, and 2 times now, 6 months or 400,000 miles, it will come back again. So when you push it in, it's till it start blinking. Now you push it 2 times, it will reset it quick. So now it gives you 4,000 miles, 6 months, it will come back again. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe and share. And so now you turn the ignition off, ignition on, it will never come back again. Let me see now. That one will not come back again. You can just tell you, see, there is nothing. I'm going to turn it again, turn it off. It will give you a message, push the brake to start. On, you see here. There is nothing. Thank you for watching Mobile Diagnostic. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.